Hi everyone, how are you all? I'm pretty good here. In this vlog, I'm going to provide the travel hacks or tips on how to book the flight ticket in a cheap rate. Please watch this video till the end as I will be providing 8 great tips on booking the flight ticket. And if you like this video, please click the like button and watch the other videos in this channel, and if you like them, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. These photos has been taken inside the Dubai airport. Come, let's go into this vlog. This is how it looks inside the Emirates flight. As more people want to travel, the flight companies take this opportunity to increase the flight prices. So definitely we need to be smart enough to tweak this opportunity to make it work for us. The first tip is to check for last minute tickets. So because it's going to cost you less and it's better in price than the regular bookings like you make 1 or 2 months before. There are quite a few websites which normally deals in the last minute price drops. Like one such website is the travel price drops, and this website, if you book, you can get the cheap ticket rates. And the famous ticket website is the lastminute.com, which normally deals with the last minute price drops just before the start time. Even if you want to book an emergency ticket, like you can visit this website and you can find the cheap price tickets at the last minute. And people normally use this website for frequent bookings, even if they are planning at the last minute or upfront. And another website is the Indian Eagle. You can find cheap tickets over here either, and this is mainly exclusive for India. This website deals both the international and the domestic flights, so you can very well look for the cheap prices over here in case you want to go to India from other places in the world. Also, the domestic travel also is made possible through this website. So the last minute, you can, if you want to go to Chennai or Bangalore or Delhi or Bombay, you can find the cheap prices at the last minute. Definitely I would recommend this website because in the past I used to book in this website. So next travel tip is using Google Incognito mode, because in the normal Google search engine the cookies are getting maintained, so they used to track our search pattern. Next travel tip is using the Google Flights. So Google has its own flight tracking website, so you can book through the flight ticket over here. And the next tip is avoiding the weekend days. So it's always better to book in the weekdays rather than the weekends, because the passenger inflow is going to be large over there. The next travel tip is going to be flexible with your date of travel. If you are going to be rigid, then you can't find a better price. But if you are flexible, you can find a better price on some other day. So even if you see the screen, you can list down like the price are currently low for the days which we haven't selected in the main search criteria. It's always better to book the ticket through the laptop or a bigger screen, because in mobile the screen time is very low. The next tip is avoid peak time flights, because more people tend to travel around those peak times, so a lot of demand has been created. So that's the thing, I'm gonna check. And next tip is the flight ticket booking website. So right now I'm going to show what all the ticket booking websites you can use, like Cheap Flights, Ease My Trip, Kayak, Skyscanner, Agoda, and Momondo, Hopper, and a lot of websites are there, but these are the prominent ones which normally people tend to use for flight ticket booking. You can also find cheap prices and better deals over in these websites. By these websites, you can also book the domestic flight tickets, and it's also be given in a better deal price. So next we'll see what all the search engines can be used to use the flights. So if you see Priceline, Southwest, Expedia, Orbitz, Hotwire, Travelocity, Cheapoair. Next tip is going to be using the travel cards which we can avail from different banks. A lot of banks provide the customers the travel cards by which the customers can use it to book the flight tickets, by which the points and miles gets added. In the next booking, those points can be redeemed and cheaper price can be availed, or if you have more miles or points, even the ticket becomes free. So right now we have reached the end of the video. Thanks for watching till the end. Take care. Bye bye.